Hey there, in this video we're going to go over how to import inventory using the Scan UDI feature and using the OCR, which is Object Character Recognition, or in other words, we will scan your text option. So first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the All Inventory screen. Then go to the New Inventory button in the upper right and select Scan UDIs to add, and then we'll probably see our camera pop up. Oh, so here we have my last Scan UDI session. So if there's anything left in here, I'm going to go ahead and remove it to make sure we're starting fresh and we're not adding any inventory that we're not supposed to. So here is the scan text option, and we'll do that first. First, you'll select an image for the system to scan. So here I have a barcode and text version of my UDI. So you can tell here it's asking us to resize this selection area within the image. So I want it to just look at the text. We're not worrying about the barcode in this scenario because we are scanning this text. So then we'll hit crop and proceed, and the system will process the image, and here is what it scanned. So you're going to want to check this to make sure it matches. So for instance, the system read my $2 signs here as S's. I'm going to change those because those dollar signs are important. The whole UDI is important. If I left those as S's, the system would read this lot number as a serial number, which is incorrect. So now that I've fixed that, I'll hit complete, and the system is ready for the next one. Has added this device here to my import. So you can see the quantity is 1. So every time you scan, whether it's scanning text or scanning an image of the barcode, it adds a quantity of 1. So if you need to do more of these, you just do that again. Alternatively, if you want to actually scan the actual barcode, we can do that too. So we'll go to Scan Additional Items, and we'll switch to Scan Barcode. And here it'll pull up our camera. Hey there. And you can switch the device if you have multiple devices or if you're using an external scanner. But you can just scan your barcode and it will add another device for you. So if I X that out, I can see the quantity got increased by 1. And if I want to do even more, I just go for it, do more, it'll keep scanning. So be aware, it is a 1 scan to 1 quantity added ratio. So you want to be sensitive to how many times you're scanning because that will correspond to the quantity. So just go ahead and keep an eye on this quantity to make sure it's the right amount of inventory that you want to add. And it is pulling all of this data using the UDI from the FDA's Good ID database. So it's populating the information that you have provided publicly to the FDA. And if this is not the type of information you're looking for, if for some reason this info needs to be different, then you might want to explore adding the inventory manually or importing it, using a CSV file. So that is how you can import inventory using your UDI barcodes or using our OCR scan text method.